Hello everyone, I'm excited to walk you through something we've built at Veracitiz, a fully customized KPI card in Power BI using DAX and SVG. Standard KPI visuals often have limitations when it comes to design flexibility and advanced formatting. We wanted something more dynamic, interactive, and visually appealing while still responding to report filters and user interactions. So, we built a better solution. As you can see here, the card displays current performance, target values, variance, additional indicators, and even a custom-based 64 image, all presented in a modern and visually appealing design. Let's get into the demo. The first step is to create a new measure. I've already written the code, so I'll simply copy and paste it into the measure. Next, I'll drag an image visual onto the report canvas. Next, I open the visual settings and, under the Style section, locate the image source option and set it to From Data. Then, I'll drag the Forecast KPI Card SVG measure into the visual. As soon as the measure is added, Power BI reads the SVG code generated by the DAX measure and renders it as a fully customized KPI card. Because everything is contained within a single measure, the card remains completely dynamic. And that's it. Our custom forecast versus actual KPI card is now ready to use. For a demo, feel free to contact us at info@veracitiz.com. Thank you for watching.